Want to create viral Reddit story videos in seconds without spending hours editing? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Crayo AI to automate your entire video creation process. If you've scrolled through YouTube Shorts or TikTok, you've definitely seen those addictive videos. A dramatic Reddit story read by an AI voice, paired with satisfying gameplay footage in the background and dynamic, colorful captions. Usually, putting these together takes forever, but with Crayo AI, you can generate them almost instantly. Let's dive into how it works. Crayo is an all-in-one AI video editor built specifically for clipping and viral content. To get started, you just head over to crayo.ai and make an account. The workflow is incredibly simple and takes just 3 steps. First, you upload your video file or paste a YouTube or TikTok link. If you're making a Reddit story, you can use their dedicated Reddit Story Videos tool, which helps you easily pair your text with background gameplay or split-screen templates. Second, you choose your subtitle style. Crayo offers over 15 viral subtitle styles to keep your viewers hooked. Finally, you hit generate. The AI processes everything in seconds, giving you a fully finished video with perfectly synced voiceovers and captions. You can then use their web editor to make any quick manual adjustments. What makes Crayo stand out are the built-in features that save you from needing multiple subscriptions. It includes cutting-edge speech enhancement, an AI voiceover generator, a voice changer, and even an AI image generator to help you create custom visuals on the fly. It also features a background remover, which users say is incredibly accurate, and a video cutter to crop your content to the perfect vertical aspect ratio. Now, let's talk about what users are saying. While we don't have a large database of independent third-party reviews to pull from today, the feedback featured on their site is highly positive. Creators who run massive channels mention that Crayo makes formatting and scaling content much faster. One user, James, specifically pointed out that the Reddit story generations are incredibly powerful for growing YouTube Shorts channels. On the flip side, because we have limited external review data, we recommend starting with their basic features to see if the AI voiceovers and templates match your personal style before committing to a premium plan. Overall, if you want to run a faceless channel or speed up your clipping workflow, Crayo AI is a massive time saver. It puts script reading, gameplay backgrounding, and trendy captions all under one roof. Head over to crayo.ai to try it out for yourself. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you've tried making Reddit story videos yet. See you in the next one.